Hello students, in today's video we learn De Morgan theorem. It is very important theorem in Boolean algebra. So one of the most powerful identities used in Boolean logic is De Morgan theorem. So there are two types of De Morgan theorem. So first we learn De Morgan's first theorem. So what is De Morgan's first theorem is, if we perform AND gate and it's not, then output will be individually not of two variable. So De Morgan's first theorem proved that when two or more input variable are and negated, it means inverted, then they are equivalent to the OR of the complements of individual variable. So A dot B is not is equals to A naught plus B naught. So to prove this theorem, we use truth table. So in the truth table, first we find the LHS of truth table of the expression A dot B naught. So here A and B, so we find A dot B, it means logical multiplication. 0 dot 0 equals to 0, 0 dot 1 equals to 0, 1 dot 0 equals to 0, and 1 dot 1 equals to 1. And we find not of the A dot B. So inverse is 0 inverse is 1, 0 inverse is 1, 0 inverse is 1, and 1 inverse is 0. Then we found RHS. What is our RHS? A naught plus B naught. So it is our two input variable A and B. First we find A naught, which is equals to 1 1 0 0, and B naught 1 0 1 0. So A naught plus B naught. So 1 plus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 0 equals to 1, 0 plus 1 equals to 1, and 0 plus 0 equals to 0. So this is our LHS and this is our RHS. So here we prove LHS equals to RHS. So what is our De Morgan's first theorem is that if two or more input variables are AND gate with the NOT, then they are equivalent to the OR of the complement of the individual variable. So this is our diagram of De Morgan's first theorem. It is our LHS, which is the NAND gate. NAND gate is combination of AND and NOT gate, which is equals to individual A naught, B naught, and their logical addition or OR gate performed. Our second theorem is, De Morgan's second theorem is, if we perform OR gate, it's not, it means NOR gate, so it will be equal to individual multiplication of both variable of NOT gate. So De Morgan's second theorem proves that when two or more input variables are OR gate and negated, then they are equivalent to the AND of the complement of the individual variable. So prove this, we will prove this by the truth table. So this is our truth table. So first we found LHS, which is equals to A plus B naught. So A and B. So first we found A plus B. So 0 plus 0 equals to 0, 0 plus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 0 equals to 1, and 1 plus 1 equals to 1. And we found the NOT gate of the A plus B. So output will be 0 naught is 1, 1 naught is 0, 1 naught is 0, and 1 naught is 0. Then we found RHS, which is equals to A naught dot B naught. So here is our two input variable A and B. First we found A naught, which is equals to 1 1 0 0, and B naught equals to 1 0 1 0. So now we found A naught dot B naught. So 1 into 1 is equals to 1, 1 into 0 equals to 0, 0 into 1 equals to 0, and 0 into 0 equals to 0. So this is our LHS and this is our RHS, which is both are equal, and it is a diagram of our De Morgan's second theorem, which is equals to first NOR gate, which is equals to individual NOT gate, and their multiplication is AND gate. So today we learned very important theorem, De Morgan theorem, so which has two types. First theorem says that when two or more input variable are AND gate with negated, then they are equivalent to the OR of the complement of both individual variable. So this is the expression of De Morgan's first theorem and diagram, logical diagram, and we prove this theorem by the our truth table. Then De Morgan's second theorem. De Morgan's second theorem proves that when two or more input variable are OR and negated, they are equivalent to the end of the complements of the individual variable. And this is the logical diagram of De Morgan's second theorem, and this is the expression, and we prove this expression by the truth table.